You's a witch. You's a witch. You come ball to me. But you have cancer. You have cancer. Come ball to me in a video about us. Me not feel leave you. Me for try with you. And me not for this and me not for that. And you run company internet. I come tell people about AIDS and them something there. Dirty girl after you lick out my body. After you suck out my pussy. You could even suck my pussy naked because you never look blood clot. Good, I come tell people say you look better than me. You have 5 bumper clot. Go tell the people them that don't bum blood clot. Come try to come bring me down. But say you look better than me. You look better than me where? How? Where? Eh? You know to say something wrong with you. Every minute you talk about Sky and I talk about say you're not sexy like Sky. You're right, you don't sexy like Sky. You could never be Sky. You could never be blood clot Sky. You could have be Sky. Sky wake up every bumbo clot morning and go gym. All you wake up and do a morning time and ball for food. Ball for food every fucking morning. You want to get up and and watch TV and sit down in an AC. Not even walk around the fucking house or spread the fucking bed. And then you want to be wife? Eh? What kind of wife you can fucking be? You want to get up every day and nyam, sleep, nyam, sleep, shit, nyam, sleep, shit, nyam, no. Where you have but money to give and fucking miserableness? Miserableness and fucking money. Miserableness and fucking money, eh? And lies. I want to come go and like say you're daps and you're done. You're daps and a blood clot done. Wicked girl. Eh? I can't tell be a lie for me. Not tell no lie for me, girl. Don't tell no lie at all for me. Tell the people them say you provoke me. Tell the people them say you provoke me. And you use science. And you use everything in the book. You use money and you use everything in the book. To try for bumbo clot hold me and it never did work. Don't fuck yourself with me. You're too much, man. So when time she throw the money for you in the car, what she said to you? Who does that? Who does that? Who does that? This is just between us. Who does that? The person who is supposed to be my fiance gave you money and said to you, this is just between us. Correct, right? Yeah. You, my best friend, of over a decade. Somebody when me meet 7 months ago give you money and said to you, so this is just between us and you not for say no at all. Wow. Wow. Just wow. And for the people them I keep on I say. For the people them I say me talk to this big sour girl for things. Me never ask this girl for nothing at all, brother. Me never ask a girl for nothing at all. Everything when me have a girl push it on for me. I never ask her for shit. If she go and buy the things them. If she go and buy the things them. She said she look younger than me. And that she say? And that she say? Why she keep on and bring me down and me looks and I talk about looks and this is not what it is about? Why you talk about somebody looks when I look like this? Why you talking about somebody looks when you look like this? Why are you talking about somebody looks when I can't fuck people without having 4 suit of clothes on? Why are you talking about somebody looks? Why are you talking about somebody looks? You wanted me a new car? You wanted... I was going to buy me a new car. Silly rabbit. Why are you talking about somebody looks? Why you talk about people looks for you look like this? Why you talk about people look for you look so? Why you talk about people look for you look like this? Why you talk about people look for you look so? People humiliate my blood clot for talk to you. People bring down my blood clot for talk to you and they never see a blood clot face yet. And you come talk about looks? You come talk about looks? You come talk about blood clot looks? Eh? Me never ask her for no bumbo clot money I like girl tell. Me never ask her for no money at all. Tell a dirty girl let's not tell no lie for me. Me never ask him for $1 to start no business. Tell a girl let's not tell no lie for me. Tell him say not tell no lie for me at all. Yes, you went out with there Portland. See my business there. Everybody know my business. I may buy everything for my business and start my business. Big up bling. Ding, because I didn't help me start my business. Give me connections and plug on them something. Nobody help me start my business. I didn't help me start my business. You see, when I was there at Portland, the girl asked me what would make me happy. Me look on the girl and I said to the girl, say, me need to change my car. Me never ask her for nothing at all. And me need to actually get a storefront for my store. And she said, you know what? I'm going to help you with that and I'm going to help you get the car. I'm going to buy you a new brand car. That is what the girl said. I never asked her for a fucking thing. Me never asked him for nothing at all. No, me never asked him for. No at all, me never asked him for. You gotta tell people, say, oh, say me ask him for money to start business and buy a new car. I get like one real wicked, you know, brother. Yep. You got a wicked, virgin. You got a wicked. You wicked. You wicked, man. Me. No, sir. Yeah, she want fame. She want fame and she want sympathy, but because she couldn't get it from my best friend and she couldn't get it from me, she come to the internet now because she couldn't get it from nobody else. So she